Authenticating remote users. In this video, I'll be doing a brief overview, discussion, and demonstration on authenticating remote users. Windows remote access connections use an authentication system that is entirely separate from the Kerberos authentication system that clients on the local network use. However, authentication is even more important for remote access clients than for local ones because of the increased likelihood of intrusion. All remote access connections, whether dial-up or VPN, use PPP to package their data. And the PPP connection establishment process includes a sequence in which the client and the server negotiate the use of a specific authentication protocol. In this sequence, each computer sends a list of the authentication protocols it supports, and the two then agree to use the strongest protocol they have in common. In Windows 7, you configure the authentication method a VPN connection uses on the Security tab of the Connections property sheet. The options are as follows. Use Extensible Authentication Protocol, EAP. EAP is a shell protocol that provides a framework for the use of various types of authentication mechanisms. The primary advantage of EAP is that it enables a computer to use mechanisms other than passwords for authentication, including public key certificates and smart cards, as well as provide an extensible environment for third-party authentication mechanisms. Windows 7 supports three types of EAP-based authentication: protected EAP, secured password EAP, and smart card or other certificates. Allow these protocols. Provide support for the password authentication protocol, Challenge Handshake Authentication Protocol, and Microsoft Challenge Handshake Authentication Protocol version 2, which are included to provide support for down-level clients. These protocols apply only to PPTP, L2TP, and SSTP connections. IKE version 2 connections must use EAP-MS-CHAP version 2 or a certificate. That completes this brief overview discussion on authenticating remote users.